Welcome to Nagoya, Japan, a vibrant city that seamlessly blends rich cultural heritage with modern marvels. Nestled in the heart of Japan's Aichi Prefecture, Nagoya is a city that offers a diverse range of attractions, from historic castles and temples to cutting-edge technology and entertainment districts. This comprehensive travel guide will take you through 12 must-visit attractions and tourist spots in Nagoya, ensuring you experience the very best this dynamic city has to offer. Start your journey with a visit to Nagoya Castle, one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Originally constructed in 1612, the castle was a symbol of the Tokugawa shogunate's power and prestige. Although much of the original structure was destroyed during World War II, the castle has been meticulously reconstructed, complete with its famous golden shachihoko, mythical dolphin-like creatures, adorning the roof. Inside, you'll find a museum showcasing artifacts and exhibits on the castle's history. The surrounding Hanmaru Palace, with its beautiful gardens and traditional architecture, is also a must-see. Next, delve into the world of automotive innovation at the Toyota Commemorative Museum of Industry and Technology. This fascinating museum, located on the site of the original Toyota Loom Works, traces the evolution of Toyota from a textile manufacturer to one of the world's leading automobile companies. Interactive exhibits, working machinery, and detailed explanations provide an engaging and educational experience for visitors of all ages. The museum also highlights Japan's broader industrial and technological advancements, making it a must-visit for anyone interested in engineering and innovation. For a serene and spiritual experience, visit Atsuta Shrine, one of Japan's most significant Shinto shrines. This ancient site, said to date back nearly 2,000 years, is dedicated to the sun goddess Amaterasu and houses the sacred sword Kusanagi no Tsurugi, one of Japan's 3 imperial regalia. The shrine's peaceful wooded grounds, adorned with torii gates and traditional structures, provide a tranquil escape from the bustling city. Participate in traditional rituals. Explore the treasure hall filled with cultural artifacts, or simply enjoy the serene atmosphere of this sacred place. Explore the cultural heart of Nagoya at the Osu Kannon Temple and Shopping District. The Osu Kannon Temple, with its impressive red and white architecture, is a popular site for both worshippers and tourists. The temple grounds host a variety of festivals and flea markets throughout the year, adding to its lively ambiance. Adjacent to the temple, the Osu Shopping District offers a vibrant mix of shops, eateries, and entertainment venues. From traditional Japanese crafts and vintage clothing to cutting-edge electronics and quirky souvenirs, Osu is a treasure trove for shoppers and foodies alike. Discover the wonders of the deep sea at the port of Nagoya Public Aquarium. This state-of-the-art facility is home to a diverse range of marine life, including dolphins, penguins, and orcas. The aquarium is divided into 2 main sections: the North Building, which focuses on marine mammals, and the South Building, which showcases the rich biodiversity of Japan's coastal waters. Interactive exhibits, informative displays, and breathtaking shows make this a captivating experience for visitors of all ages. Don't miss the impressive outdoor dolphin pool, where you can watch these intelligent creatures perform acrobatic feats. Immerse yourself in the world of science and technology at the Nagoya City Science Museum. This impressive museum, known for its distinctive spherical planetarium, offers a wide range of interactive exhibits and hands-on activities. The museum's 3 main sections, astronomy, science and technology, and life sciences, cover everything from space exploration and robotics to biology and environmental science. The planetarium, one of the largest in the world, provides an awe-inspiring experience with its high-resolution projections of the night sky. The museum's engaging and educational exhibits make it a great destination for families and curious minds. Take a stroll through the beautiful Tokugawa Garden, a traditional Japanese landscape garden that once belonged to the Tokugawa clan. This serene oasis features winding paths, tranquil ponds, elegant bridges, and meticulously maintained plants and trees. The garden's design reflects the changing seasons, offering a different but equally stunning experience throughout the year. Adjacent to the garden is the Tokugawa Art Museum, which houses an impressive collection of samurai armor, weapons, tea ceremony utensils, and other cultural artifacts from the Edo period. Together, the garden and museum provide a fascinating glimpse into the life and culture of Japan's samurai era. For a taste of contemporary culture, visit the bustling Sakae district, Nagoya's premier shopping and entertainment area. This vibrant district is home to a plethora of department stores, boutiques, restaurants, and nightlife venues. One of Sakae's most recognizable landmarks is the futuristic Oasis 21, a multi-purpose complex with shops, eateries, and a distinctive glass roof that doubles as a public park. At night, the area comes alive with neon lights, street performers, and a lively crowd. Whether you're looking to shop, dine, or enjoy the nightlife, Sakae offers endless options for entertainment and exploration. Experience the traditional art of No Theater at the Nagoya No Theater. This historic venue, dedicated to the classical Japanese performing arts, hosts regular performances of No and Kyogen plays. No Theater, characterized by its slow, stylized movements, elaborate costumes, and masks, is one of Japan's oldest and most revered art forms. The theater's intimate setting allows visitors to fully appreciate the intricate details and subtle expressions of the performers. Even if you're unfamiliar with No, the theater often provides English language explanations and subtitles to help you understand and enjoy the performance. Delve into the world of modern art at the Nagoya City Art Museum. Located in Shirakawa Park, this museum boasts an impressive collection of contemporary and modern art from both Japanese and international artists. The museum's permanent collection includes works by renowned artists such as Salvador Dali, Henri Rousseau, and Tamaji Kitagawa. The museum also hosts rotating exhibitions, ensuring there's always something new and exciting to see. The building itself is a work of art, with its sleek, minimalist design blending harmoniously with the surrounding park. Explore the fascinating history of ceramics at the Noritake Garden. This unique attraction, located on the site of the original Noritake factory, offers an in-depth look at the history and craftsmanship of Noritake porcelain. The garden features a museum showcasing exquisite examples of Noritake ceramics, as well as a factory tour where you can see the production process firsthand. Visitors can also try their hand at painting their own ceramic pieces in the craft center. The beautiful garden with its lush greenery and water features provides a tranquil setting for this engaging and educational experience. For a memorable day trip, venture out to the scenic Meiji Mura, an open-air museum located about an hour's drive from Nagoya. This sprawling museum is dedicated to preserving and showcasing Japan's architectural heritage from the Meiji era, 1868 to 1912. The park features over 60 historic buildings, including former government offices, schools, churches, and homes, meticulously relocated and restored. Each building provides a glimpse into the architectural styles and daily life of the Meiji period. The museum also hosts various cultural events and activities, making it a fascinating and immersive experience for visitors. No visit to Nagoya would be complete without indulging in the city's culinary delights. Nagoya is renowned for its unique local cuisine, known as Nagoya Meshi. Must-try dishes include miso katsu, deep-fried pork cutlet with red miso sauce, hitsumabushi, grilled eel served over rice, and tebasaki, spicy chicken wings. The city is also famous for its kishimen, flat udon noodles, and tenmusu, rice balls with tempura shrimp. Be sure to visit one of the many local restaurants or food stalls to savor these delicious specialties. Finally, immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the Nagoya Port Wildflower Garden Bluebonnet. This expansive garden, located along the waterfront, features a stunning array of wildflowers and native plants. The garden is divided into themed sections, each showcasing different types of flora and landscape designs. Seasonal events, such as flower festivals and gardening workshops, are held throughout the year, offering visitors a chance to learn more about horticulture and enjoy the vibrant blooms. The garden's tranquil setting and picturesque views make it a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing picnic. Nagoya is a city that offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and modernity. From its historic castles and temples to its cutting-edge museums and entertainment districts, Nagoya provides a wealth of attractions and experiences for every type of traveler. Whether you're exploring the city's rich cultural heritage, indulging in its unique cuisine, or immersing yourself in its natural beauty, You'll find plenty to captivate and inspire you in this dynamic Japanese city. So pack your bags, set your sights on Nagoya, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through one of Japan's most fascinating destinations.